Hello, I'm here today to demonstrate a fire blight testing kit that can be done in the orchard using the Pocket Diagnostic by Amgen Health. Please see our website at ConLab University Database of Apple Diseases for more information and links. So the kit will come with extraction buffer with BBs inside, an eyedropper, and the test strips themselves. So first you will need to do is collect material from the field that you suspect of having fire blight. So when you see obvious symptoms, your shepherd's hook or ooze, you can simply do is take about an inch of material from this year's growth, kind of where you see the death meet the good healthy tissue, and that seems to be about the best location for sampling. So literally you only need about this much material, which is about an inch. You can then do is cut up that material into like 1/8 to 1/4 inch pieces that you will then place into your buffer solution. You will then need to shake your buffer solution for approximately at least 1 minute. An alternative I have found, if you're using woody, more hard material, you can actually do is skim off the bark with like your pocket knife, exposing like the cambium layer, and then shaving off 4 or 5 pieces of the cambium layer. And then again, those you can simply add to your bottle with your solution and your BBs. An alternative I've also used is actually using a sandwich bag, dumping your liquid from the buffer bottle into it, and then actually macerating it with a hammer. Once your sample solution is prepared, either in the BB bottle or in the sandwich bag, you simply take only about 4 or 5 drops that you will add to your strip. So the circular well will add your 4 or 5 drops. You don't want to overfill that. And after, within actually about 2 or 3 minutes, you'll see blue lines appear. So if you see one blue line at the C, that is your control line. That means your strip has worked. If you see no line at the T, that means your sample is negative. So one blue line is a negative sample. Here's a strip I've previously run where you can see 2 blue lines. So you'll see a blue line at the T and a blue line at the C. That means that your sample is positive. Another material that you could actually use is ooze from your cankers or stem that you'll see little ooze appearing. You'll simply take a toothpick, rub that ooze. Again, just take your toothpick, break off that end into your solution, shake it around for a minute, and simply run your test strips again. Please see our website at ConLab Cornell University Database of Apple Diseases, where you can find our brochure and a link to these testing strips. Thank you.